Hello you guys, welcome to today's video. I am going to show you a quick little review on one of my favorite summer essentials right now, and that is the VBT boob tape. Now, when summer rolls around, you want to have the girls out, you want to wear those strapless tops, those really low cut tops, you know, you're trying to get a cool breeze in, you're also just trying to look hot AF. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to use this, and at the end I'll also give you a discount code so you can go ahead and get 10% off. Okay, so a little bit about VBT. I don't want any girly to shy away because they make boob tape that is catered to both A through G size cups, meaning that there is a tape width that is going to be able to support a larger chest, and they also have smaller tape widths that can support a smaller chest, so it all depends on your wants and needs. Now, VBT is made out of medical grade material. This is going to be 95% cotton and about 5% spandex, which means this is going to be water resistant, sweat resistant, suitable for sensitive skin types, and very breathable. Overall, just something that's not going to irritate your skin or cause your skin to react in any certain way, because as you're wearing this, you're going to want it to stick and you're going to want it to be comfortable, because comfortability is key here. Now, as many of you know, boob tape is specifically for lifting the girlies and creating just an overall seamless image on your chest. That way you still get that voluptuous va-va-voom with comfortability and a little bit of extra support compared to if you were wearing no bra at all. So in your little kit here, if you order it off of Amazon, you will get a little roll of boob tape. You'll get two different types of nipple covers. There's going to be a more fabric plated one and then a silicone nipple cover. And you'll also get some double-sided tape that you will attach to your clothing and your skin, and that's just going to help ensure that your clothing is stuck in place and won't move around or show the boob tape at all. Okay, so I won't obviously show you my chest, but I am going to show you kind of how you would put it on, and then at the end I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put some on and I'm gonna show you like a before and after. First and foremost, please make sure that you are not allergic to any of the ingredients or materials that this is made out of. Although this is made for sensitive skin and with sensitive skin girlies left in mind, we want to make sure that we're not irritating your skin in a very sensitive part of the body. So please make sure to take a little patch of this and test it out on a like thinner skinned area of your body. That way you can get a true reaction to the material and the fabric that this is made out of. Next, because you don't want this to like rip off any skin that may be peeling, you don't want to have a sunburn when you put this on, and you also want to have a very clean, smooth, dry surface to attach the tape to. It's just going to make it stick a lot easier. Up next, you're going to pick from these two different types of nipple covers, whichever one suits your fancy. We have a more cotton fabric here that has some breathable holes and sticky adhesive here to stick to your nipple. And then we also have some silicone ones here. They're completely sticky on the back. So it just depends on your preference. I personally prefer the silicone ones, but that's just me. I've been using silicone ones all my life. And after that, it is pretty straightforward. VBT has an entire guide on different ways you can wear their tape. They also send you a little user manual on how to use it and various ways that you can also put the tape in, so you don't got to go to their website or anything. They will send that to you, and it just shows you directly where and how to apply the tape. But basically, it's super easy. There is a grid line here. You're going to go ahead and you're going to measure out where you want the boob tape to stick, and you just peel the back off like a big giant sticker. Stick it on, make sure you're lifting upwards so that your chest comes up and creates that voluptuous look if that's what you're looking for. And that's it. Smooth it out, smooth out any wrinkles. You're all good to go. Put on your favorite cleavage shirt or whatever you prefer to wear, and that's pretty much it about this. I mean, it's a very high quality boob tape, and it's made very well. It's designed very well with all types of bodies and shapes in mind, which I truly love about this. Now, most of you know that boob tape is not like an everyday thing. I'm not wearing boob tape all the time, but for those like fancier occasions or nights that you just want to look a little schmexier, I feel like investing in a very high quality boob tape that you feel confident in, secure in, safe in, is gonna allow you to have the most confident night without any worries of any slippage going on. Okay, so with that in mind, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give you a little before shot, and then I'm gonna give you an after shot.
Okay, so here is a little before shot. You can see that they are just a little bit not defying gravity here, and this is going to be a side profile. Again, we just want to lift the girlies a little bit.
So just a little like in and up. So let me go put this on and I will show you the finished look.
Okay, and here is a little after shot. I'm just kind of adjusting my shirt and making sure that it fits my needs here. But yeah, this is kind of just what it looks like. It's very lifted. You can see they look very secure. They're not moving at all. They're very much stuck in place. Here is that side profile. Again, just very lifted, a little bit more defying gravity here.
And that's pretty much it. I mean, you can tell they're definitely a lot closer together here. I did have to add like an extra piece of tape from over here, and I like looped it around. I've got some smoothing I need to do over here out, but that was just me like putting it on super quickly. And then I also put one like under here and like scooped it inward so you can kind of see like it wrapped. So I did 3 pieces here and then a 4th one like scooping inwards, so you can always adjust how many pieces you need to how heavy the girlies are and where you need the support. But like, I feel they're not moving. I don't know if you can see that, but they're not moving anywhere. They are just stuck right here and in place. I can go back through and I'll trim this off so that it's not showing, and then you saw me kind of trim a piece off right here. I could trim a little more off, but that was just me quickly showing you how this product works. It's magic. The best thing that I love about this, honestly my favorite part ever of boob tape, is that even though I'm not wearing a bra, because everything is so laid flat and just secure, like I showed you, they're not moving anywhere. Like, they're not bouncing unless I bounce them, so they're just very secured tight to my chest. I can definitely feel, even though I'm not wearing a bra and getting the support from my shoulders and my back, it definitely just feels like they are stuck in place, which I love because you don't want them girls jiggling around. And I'm very excited to use this boob tape for Lollapalooza because I have a few outfits that are a little boob heavy and I don't really want to wear a bra with them, and I can't really wear a bra with them without the bra strap showing. So I'm very excited to wear this since this is sweat resistant, water resistant. It's going to be so humid and hot in Chicago, and I'm very, very excited to use this product. Like I said, my Amazon storefront link will be linked down below. You can click that link for 10% off of VBT. Also, I'll include a discount code, all of that on the screen here and in the description below, so feel free to check that out. I will say that VBT did 110% send me these products for free. They reached out to me, asked me if I would make a video, and I gladly accepted because I saw the reviews on Amazon and they had all raved about this boob tape. So I am so excited that I finally get to try it for myself, and I want to say thank you to VBT for reaching out to me, for sending me this awesome product, because now I can share it with you all. And I feel like as a girl growing up who didn't really have like a sister or like a girly sister or anyone who's carrying a chest, I feel like the world of like boob tape and all that, like fabric tape and all that, is just so foreign, and a lot of the times you don't know about that unless you're seriously involved in like a sorority. Like, you always wonder how these influencers or celebrities or even sorority girls get to look that perfect in pictures all the time, and it's a lot of magic moments like this that are super secret that for some reason I feel like people don't talk about. And so I am so happy to be able to share this video with you all and hopefully help a girly out there who wants to feel just as equally as sexy and confident in themselves, and just give you a little insider scoop into all the secrets of the beauty world, the fashion world, all that fun stuff. So Thank you so much, VBT, for sending me these. Again, click the links down below or follow the codes on this screen. Always save your coin. You know I'm here to help you. So yeah, as always, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell to be notified of the next time that I upload a video. Next week, I will be in San Francisco, so you'll get a little vlog of that, and I will be so excited to see you. See you in the next one.